Last day. Okay. Settled na. Oh. Wala ka nakalimutan, ha? Pauwi na. Lamig na lamig. Punta ka na. Alis na tayo. Well, ay maambon pa magkakapak ko nung pinsan ko. Ay, karat-karat. Alam niya ito, kasamad pa siya. Ay, mag-video yun dun. So, pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Of course, nabalik mo. Hindi kasi mas... Okay. To the airport. Medyo maambon, pero kere lang. So, ayan. Last view before we left. Thank you, Tomorrow Hotel. It was nice. Stay. Ayan. Oh, smooth. Hello na ulit sa mainit na lugar. Ay, mainit pa rin pala po. Pilipinas. Day, ano na nakasulat dyan? Ulan pa din. Uwi na kami and ang boarding gate namin 8:00. Still, uwi na. Ayan, muulan pa din dito. Pero, delayed flight kami. Ito na naman ako. Delayed flight kami. So, sa our flight was 10:45. Namove siya sa 11:45. Yung narinagahan namin kasi may nang doon kami nag-i-imply kasi nag-habol kami. Ang layo ay ng lakarin natin. Finally, ito na kami. 8:02. So, hi guys. We're here at... So, nandito na kami sa Taoyuan Airport sa Taipei. And inantay na lang namin yung boarding gate namin na mag-open. But it's already 10 a.m. and 11:45 yung open nun. So, nag-antay na lang kami dito. And ang lamig dito sa pwesto ko. Ayan o. Grabe. Kala mo nasa yellow ko. Pero makulimlim pa dito sa Taiwan. Parang di pa ako sure kung nasan akong bansa. But, ayun. So, wala lang. Kasi bored tayo at nag-iintay tayo dito. Excited na ako umuwi at maglinis. Char. Pero, OOTD check. Ayan. Paano ba ako mag-fit check dito? Pag umalis na siguro yung mama sa tabi ko. Kasi ang dami ding tao sa CR. So, hindi rin ako nakapag-OOTD check. Baka mamaya sa Manila pa to. Pero, yeah. Bye.
Now ready for departure. Thank you. Terminal 3. Local time now is 42 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Pilot in Command Ricky Bohol, First Officer Mikeo Tamayama, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon disembarkation. Thank you.